Welcome. Today we will guide you through installing Bluetooth drivers on Windows 10. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. Firstly, check whether you have a 64-bit or 32-bit version of Windows. Open File Explorer. Right-click this PC and select Properties. Under System Type, you will see your Windows version. Mine is 64-bit. Next, open your browser and search for Intel Bluetooth driver. Open the top website. You will find drivers for both 64-bit and 32-bit versions of Windows 10. Since I have 64-bit, I will select the top version. Read the license agreement and accept the terms. The download will start automatically. Go to your Downloads folder in File Explorer and locate the downloaded drivers. Double-click to open it. Now click Next and wait for the installation to finish. Then read and accept the license agreement. Choose the type of installation you want. For this video, I will choose typical, but you can choose any. Click Install. Once the process is done, I recommend restarting your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, go to the bottom left of your screen, click the search button and type Bluetooth. Open the application. Here you will find a Bluetooth switch. Turn it on, then click the plus sign to connect a Bluetooth device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.